What if I told you that the single biggest investing mistake beginners make in 2026 costs them thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, over their lifetime, and it's not picking bad stocks or timing the market? It's something much simpler and way more common: waiting too long to start. The biggest enemy of wealth isn't market crashes or high fees, it's procrastination. Let's look at the real math that proves it. According to Vanguard's 2026 Investor Calculator and historical S&P 500 data, here's what happens when you delay investing $500 a month in a simple index fund at a conservative 8% average return. Start at age 25. After 40 years, now age 65, you're looking around $1,400,000. Start at age 35, just 10 years later. Same $500 a month for 30 years. You're looking around $680,000. You lose over $720,000, more than $500,000, just for waiting a decade. Start at age 45. 20 years of contributions. You're now looking around $247,000. That's $1,150,000 left on the table compared to starting at 25. These numbers come directly from Vanguard's official retirement calculator data as of December 2025 and assume a conservative 8% blended return based on long-term market averages. Why does time matter so much? Compound interest. The first $500 you invest at age 25 has 40 years to grow. At 8%, it turns into over $10,800 by 65. The same $500 invested at age 35 only has 30 years, about $5,000. That's double the money for the same dollar just because you started earlier. The average American starts seriously investing in their mid-30s according to Fidelity's 2025 retirement study latest data. That 10-year delay costs the typical person hundreds of thousands in lost growth. 3 reasons beginners wait, and why they're all excuses. 1. I don't have enough money yet. Truth. Even $50 a month compounds. Starting small beats waiting for perfect. 2. The market is too high right now. Truth. Time in the market beats timing the market. Dollar cost averaging smooths it out. 3. I'll do it next year. Truth. Next year becomes never. The best day to start was yesterday. The second best is today. The fix is dead simple. Open a brokerage at Robinhood, Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab tonight. Buy VTI or VOO. Set up automatic $50 to $100 transfers from your checking account every payday. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to get rich. Don't let another year pass. The cost of waiting is real money you'll never get back. Get started with investing today. Click my Robinhood referral link below to sign up and get a free stock just for using my link. Hit the like button if you're done procrastinating. Comment how old you are and if you're already investing. Subscribe for more no BS investing truth. Thanks for watching. Go be lazy and get rich.